The Web Service Assessment tool developed in the context of Accessible Project offers web service developers the capability to check the accessibility status of their web services. Accessibility assessment is conducted on the basis of various web service accessibility guidelines that have been formulated following the rationale behind the W3C's Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. In its current version, the Web Service Assessment tool is capable to access the accessibility status of SOAP-based and RESTful web services. The tool incorporates a WSDL and a WADL parser. Using them, it reads information about the web service stored in its definition file, and then on the basis of this information, it assesses whether the service conforms to a set of web service accessibility guidelines. The user can either select the WSDL or WADL file stored locally at the user's PC, or can enter a URL pointing to the WSDL or WADL file of a web service running over the Internet. Here, in our case's example, a WSDL file of a web service that the user has saved in his PC is selected. The first step towards the web service accessibility assessment is the parsing of the WSDL file. Once the WSDL is successfully parsed, the operations defined within the specific web service are shown to the user. Then, the user selects an operation of interest, and by pressing the Evaluate Web Service button, the web service is assessed over a set of accessibility guidelines. This set contains guidelines that can be automatically assessed using the information already retrieved from parsing the service definition file. The second step towards completing web service accessibility assessment is based on a service alignment procedure. During service alignment, the user informs the tool about the type of the web service operation under assessment. For this purpose, a set of ideal web service operations have been defined within the Accessible project. These ideal operations cover a variety of typical operation types offered by modern web services, such as textual info or image provision. In our example's case, the operation under assessment is actually an image provider operation since it returns maps upon invocation. Once the ideal operation type that best matches to the operation under assessment is provided, the user aligns his operation's input and output elements to input and output elements of the ideal operation that correspond to the former ones. In this process, the user is facilitated by an automatic alignment functionality incorporated in the tool, which is based on the similarity of the operation's input and output elements' names and the respective ones of the ideal operation. In our example's case, only the image object URL output element of the operation can be aligned to the ideal operation's image URL output element. Once the alignment process is complete, the user may proceed with assessment and get the final accessibility assessment result for his operation. In this specific example, the web service operation is found to be a Class A service, since the assessment of a guideline that is mandatory for Class AA services has failed. In particular, although image elements are returned from the service upon its invocation, these are not accompanied by alternative text elements. Having this result in mind, the developer can then update his service so as to conform to the failed guidelines. Such an update over the previously accessed service results to the service whose WSDL file is accessed in the following. Now, the operation also returns an alternative text element together with the image. As a result, it now conforms to the Level 2 guideline that it previously failed, and thus the service is now ranked as a class AA1. The exactly same procedure may as well be followed for WADL files describing RESTful web services. As an example, the assessment of the Google Static Maps API is demonstrated in the following.